Today we're looking at the 2023 GMC SIERRA 1500 Elevation in a titanium rush metallic. This one is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside you'll find our jet black interior cloth heated seats on both sides. And down below to the bottom left you'll find our power seat controls. Up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. And inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. To the left, you'll find our volume scroll wheel. And down below, we do have our dual climate control zones. We also have our trailer brake controls. And this vehicle is equipped with a push-to-start ignition, keyless entry, and remote start. On the right-hand side, you'll find our USB-C and USB charge ports. And in the middle, we have our two cup holders, some cubby storage, and space inside our middle console that can also turn into a third seat when needed. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at our driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks, and over here you'll find our park brake, our drive modes, and our automatic high beam controls. Moving up to the steering wheel here, on the right hand side you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector. And on the left-hand side, you'll find our cruise control settings, as well as our forward collision alert and our heated steering wheel like I mentioned earlier. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. And of course, we have our OnStar up top. Jumping onto the back here, we have plenty of legroom and space with our same jet black interior cloth seats. In the middle, you'll find our USB-C and USB charge ports to go alongside our AC outlet. Two vents, and cubbies behind each front seat for extra storage. Speaking of storage, we also have cubbies inside the seat itself, as well as additional storage underneath. In the middle, we have our cup holders. And inside our door here, we also have some more storage components. Checking out the exterior here on the Elevation, we have our blacked out grille with our blacked out GMC badge, black tow hooks, LED headlights, and fog lamps. Moving along to the side here, we have our 20-inch black rims on Goodyear tires, our adjustable side mirrors like I mentioned earlier, keyless entry, black running boards, and tint in the rear window. Moving along to the side here, we do have our X31 off-road badge, as well as our corner assist steps on each side. Taking a look at the back here, we have our dual chrome exhaust and our easy lift tailgate. Press it one time, it'll come down hands-free, no problem, to lead you to our spray-on bedliner, and of course our 120-volt outlet here on the right-hand side. This vehicle also does come equipped with paint protection on the front. And that is our 2023 GMC SIERRA 1500 Elevation in a titanium rush metallic. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.